Okay, so number 4, when you're adding some plurals. So you've got paper, you add an S, papers. Flower, add an S, flowers. Box, you have to add an ES. Brush, you have to add ES. But there's differences. There's an IES, we're back to this Y rule again. However, if you've got a Y on a proper noun, like Sunday, the proper name, you just put an S. So, we can come to rule number 4 by looking at these examples. To make a word plural, you add an S or an ES. If the word ends in a consonant and a Y, like NY, you can change it, the Y to an I, and you add ES to companies, say. But you keep the Y on plural proper nouns. So if it's a proper noun, the capital letter noun, you keep the Y and you just add an S to make that plural. Right, the thing to remember before the last bit, a suffix is a bit you add on to the end of a word, and a prefix is a bit you add to the beginning of a word. Okay, so it moves us on to the final one, spelling rule 5. You've got these examples here. If you want to put admit into admitted, you've obviously got there an extra T stuck in, admitted. Stop and stopping, you put an extra P. Flap, the same, beginning, the same. However, some exceptions. Counsel and ing is counselling. Despair, you just add the ed. And delight, you just add the ful. So in rule number 5, you double the final consonant before a suffix with a vowel. That's the suffix, it's added on to the end. It's got a vowel to start it, ed. So you double that final consonant, the T, admitted, stopping, flapped, beginning, because the suffix has got a vowel in it. And that happens if a single vowel comes before the consonant. So that single vowel there, it, o, a, it. Or if the consonant ends a one-syllable word, like flap, you have to have the 2 P's in that. However, remember your exceptions. Just a few to keep in your mind, tricky words. You can learn them, you can use them in your own writing. And I will send you all the slides to go with that.